In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance and sharpen photos in GIMP. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your image editing skills or just want to make your photographs pop, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your image in GIMP. GIMP, the GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a fantastic open-source tool that's perfect for photo editing. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so before following along. Once you have GIMP up and running, simply go to the File menu at the top left corner and select Open. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the folder where your image is stored. Click on the image you want to edit and hit Open again. Your image should now appear in the GIMP workspace, ready for enhancing. Next, let's focus on sharpening your image. Go to the Filters menu at the top of the screen. Hover over the Enhance option in the drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of tools. Select the Sharpen Unsharp Mask option. This is a powerful tool within GIMP that allows you to increase the contrast along the edges in your photo, giving the illusion that the image is sharper. Once you click on it, a dialog box will open, allowing you to adjust the settings. At this stage, you need to adjust the radius and amount. These settings can dramatically affect the outcome, so it's a good idea to understand how they work. The radius controls the size of the edges that you want to sharpen. Larger images often require a larger radius. The amount setting controls how much contrast is added to those edges. Start with a moderate radius and amount. For example, you could try a radius of about 2.0 and an amount of around 0.5. You can always tweak these settings to suit your particular image, so feel free to experiment. Keep an eye on your image in the workspace as you make these adjustments. You'll see the changes in real time, which can help guide your decisions. Once you're satisfied with how your image looks, it's time to apply the changes. Simply hit the OK button on the dialog box to apply the Unsharp Mask settings. Your image should now look crisp and more defined. The final step is to export your enhanced photo. Go to the File menu and choose Export As. Here, you can select where you want to save the image and the file format you'd like to use, whether that's JPEG, PNG, or another format. Give your file a name, choose your location, and click Export. Another dialog might appear asking for additional settings specific to the file format you've chosen. You can leave these at default or adjust them if you're familiar with the options. And there you have it. A beautifully sharpened image ready for sharing or further editing. Thanks for watching this GIMP tutorial. Enjoy your enhanced photos and keep